Guys, and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus. So when I have a problem with headphones, I will start it from the simplest way. Just open the Bluetooth settings, and if you have this feature activated, just switch it off and switch it again to restart the Bluetooth connection. You can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button for 3 seconds. And just choose the reboot and configure it. So at the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is visible for other devices, and in the most gadgets you need to enable a pair mode. How to enable pair mode you will find the manual to your device on my YouTube channel. In my case I have to click 3 times this button, sometimes you have to push the button for 3 seconds, you have to check it by yourself. So if you're sure that you have a pair mode activated and you still don't see your device on your phone, just open the settings and go to the connection and sharing. Then slide down to the reset Wi-Fi mobiles and you can see Bluetooth. So tap on it, choose reset settings and click OK. After that look for your device again. If you still don't have your device on this list, you can also go to the above phone and choose your MIUI version. Now if you have any update, just download that and install it. Then look for your device. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory and your phone or other Bluetooth device to check which one making a problem, which one is visible, which not. That's it, thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.